Welcome friends. Thank you for joining me today. I'm thrilled to introduce you to a powerful budget tracking tool designed to make managing your finances simple, efficient, and stress-free. Over the next few minutes, I'll walk you through how this template works and how it can provide you with the clear financial insights. So, step 1 is to start with the instructions tab. This section provides a clear step-by-step guide to help you navigate the template effortlessly. Plus, you will find the links to the other tabs for quick access. Step 2. Configure the Settings tab, where you will review the category types, make updates if necessary or stick with the default format. Enter your monthly expenses for each category in column C and the area total will auto-calculate. Step 3. Log transactions in the Transactions tab. This is where you will record your monthly transactions. The amount in column E auto-calculates based on whether the transaction is a debit or a credit. All you need to do is to select the category from the drop-down menu for each transaction. Simply keep adding new transactions at the bottom of the records each month, and by the end of the year, you will have a clear financial overview for the entire year. Step 4. Visualize the data in the Dashboard tab. The Dashboard tab provides a comprehensive visual, clear charts to give you deep insights into your financials, including the most expensive month. It tracks whether you are overspent or underspent, income versus budget versus savings. It ranks the expenses by months. It has income breakdown by category, expense breakdown by category, and savings breakdown by category. And here's the best part. If you want to analyze financials for a specific month, simply select that month and all the charts will dynamically update to reflect the data for that period. So, if this tool sounds like the perfect solution to streamline your financial management, getting started is easy. If you would like to purchase this template, please click on the link in the description below and subscribe to my channel for more tutorials on building templates, productivity tools, and workflow automation. Thank you for your time. I hope this tool helps you stay organized, on track, and achieve your financial goals effortlessly.